In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your videos for social sharing. So we're going to be able to make social media videos with captions, headlines, and also be able to resize our video for Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or whatever other platform we plan to share on. Adding all of these elements has become common practice to get you more visibility and more views on your video when you share it on social media. To do this quickly and easily, we're going to use a tool called Zubtitle, and it's completely free to sign up. So let's visit Zubtitle.com and go ahead and get started. Once you've signed up or logged in, we can go ahead and add our first video. So click Add New Video here, and you can click here to upload from your computer, or you can drag in like I'm going to do here. So what it's going to do here is upload your video, and then it's going to completely transcribe all of the speech in your video and convert that to captions. So we'll see that in just a moment. Awesome. So now, as you see, it's provided a full transcript of the speech in the video. Let's take a listen and see what it looks like from here.
Foster a community with those who are engaging with your content. Simply put, when someone likes or comments on your content, go ahead and send them a connection request, because they're showing that they actually like the content you're producing.
Awesome. So you see that it's added captions automatically to the bottom. And what we can do here, because it's not a completely perfect system, we can go and make any spelling corrections, any grammar corrections, and we can also change the timing of how long the captions go. So let's look at this one real quick.
With those who are engaging with your content.
So I'm going to move this after content. I'm going to put a period. Just kind of make a few adjustments here. Now, once you're finally done making the adjustments to your captions, we can actually style this video. So let's go to the Style Video tab. And the first thing that I want to do is change the size or the aspect ratio of the video. So we have some different options here. The initial is landscape, because that is the default of the video that I've initially uploaded. We can also do square, and you see how it kind of adds the top and bottom borders to it. We can do portrait, which could be good for posting a 1-minute video on Instagram. We can do 9:16 vertical portrait, and this is great for IGTV or for Instagram stories. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go with square, which I think works pretty universally well on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. If we look down here a little further, you see there's also a zoom feature. So if you want to, you can zoom in and basically kind of crop it to a square. But I'm actually just going to kind of keep it the way it was. I kind of like how that looks. But let's go ahead and add a title or a headline. Just click this box here, and I've already kind of typed mine out right in here. Next, we can actually style our captions and our headlines to match our branding. To do this, I'm going to first change the background color to my color blue. And now I'm going to change the font colors. So the way that you can do this, first of all, you can select from some different presets that you'll find in here, as well as the ones that I've created myself. Or you can go to Manage Fonts and Colors and create a brand new one. So let's do that here. Add new style. New caption style. And I change the background color to completely transparent, because again, it'll be on that blue background that you saw. Let's do Fajala 1 for the font family. If you want to, you can change the outline color, text shadow. So exit out of Manage Styles, and now we can select from the drop-down menu and find the one that we just created. So here it is.
Those who are engaging with your content. Simply put, when someone likes or comments on your content, go ahead and send them a connection request.
So now I do like that, but I actually want the position to be a little bit more centered within the bottom block. So I'm going to move that up a little bit. We're going to do fine-tune position and move the captions up a little bit.
Because they're showing that they act.
That looks good. And now for the title, you'll want to do the same thing that we just did for the captions and create a title style, but I'm just going to go with one that I've already created in the past. Same with this, we can move the title down just a little bit just to center it. So I'm thinking that looks pretty good, but I'm just going to back it up to the beginning and watch a little bit of it just to be sure.
Foster a community with those who are engaging with your content. Simply put, when someone likes or comments on your content, go ahead and send them a connection request.
Yeah, that looks great. So now the last step is just to go to the download button here and click render and download. So this usually just takes a few minutes, but if you don't want to wait around for it, you can actually click this button to have the video emailed to you once it's finished, and then you can get it from there. Another thing to note that's really great is that you can also download your transcription right here. You can copy and paste the text directly, or you can download your SRT file. Now the SRT file is basically your caption file. So this is just in case you want to further edit your captions in a video editing program, or if you want to add closed captions to maybe YouTube or something like that, this could be useful for that. So now it looks like our video is complete, so we can download it and we're ready to share it on social media. So as you can see, Zubtitle makes it super easy to create videos for social media. If you haven't yet, sign up at Zubtitle.com in the link below, and you'll actually get your very first video for free. Thank you so much for watching, and keep creating.